Hi, I'm Deepak. I am the head of admissions at the upGrad School of Technology. So, planning to apply for uGSOT? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete admissions journey from registration to form filling to exams, interviews, results, counseling, and finally, blocking your seat. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to expect at every step. Our admissions process is more rigorous, and that's intentional. See, this program challenges you to think deeper and build more. So we take the time to understand your potential and readiness and not just your scorecard. Before you register, make sure you check your eligibility. You need to have a minimum of 50% in physics, mathematics, chemistry, and computer science. Ensure that you're below 20 years as of July 2026. Let's start with the registration and login. To begin, visit the official website and log in using your credentials. If you're a new user, you will need to create an account first. And once you have logged in, you have to click on the Apply Now button at the top of the page. Alternately, you can scroll down and access the same option from the Admissions Process section. You'll be first asked to enter your WhatsApp number, complete a CAPTCHA, and verify the OTP. And this OTP will be sent to you both on SMS and WhatsApp. Once this verification is successful, you will be redirected to the Student Details page. See, some information like your name, phone number will already be pre-filled from the account creation step. You will now need to complete the remaining details such as your email ID, which will again be verified via OTP, set up a password, your date of birth, gender, etc. Also remember that you have to mention your class 12 score, and if you are currently appearing for class 12, simply tick the checkbox that says my results are awaited. After filling in all the required details, click on the Update button to save the information. See, it's very important to ensure that everything is accurate, as this information will be used throughout the admission process. Once this is done, you will move on to the application fee payment. The application fee is $999, and if you have a referral code or a fee waiver, you can apply it at this stage. After the payment is successfully completed, you will receive a confirmation on your registered mobile number and email address, and your application will move on to the next stage. Next comes the UGNet form, which focuses on your academic and personal details. Here you will need to enter class 10th, 11th, 12th academic details and upload the relevant mark sheet images. If you are appearing for 2026 board exams, you can tick the checkbox provided for that. After submitting this, you will be redirected to a section where you can add details of any other entrance exams you are appearing for. You can add as many as applicable. Following this, you will move on to personal details section where you will upload your photograph, complete the admission information, and some of these details will already be pre-filled from the earlier steps. You will then be asked to fill in your parents' and guardians' details, including their name, your relationship with them, contact information, and address. Please remember to take your time while filling out this section and double check everything. This is very important, guys, before moving forward. After this, you will complete the activities section, which helps the admission panel understand your profile beyond academics. Here you are mentioned your extracurricular activities such as sports, games, community work, or social initiatives. You will also list co-curricular activities like science exhibitions, Olympiads, hackathons, debates, essay writing, quizzes, or anything else. For each activity, you will choose the level of participation, mention the activity name, and upload any supporting pictures or certificates if available. Once all the details are filled, you will reach the declaration section. Here you must confirm that all information provided is true and accurate, and acknowledge that any discrepancy may affect your admission eligibility or your scholarship. Tick the declaration box to proceed. Next, you will select your UGNet text slot. You can choose from 3 available slots: 11 AM to 1 PM, 2 PM to 4 PM, 5 PM to 7 PM. Select the slot that suits you the best. After the assessment, students who qualify will be able to schedule their personal interview round from the dashboard under the interview slot selection section. Now, this is going to be a 20-minute one-on-one interview where you will be evaluated on multiple things like your career aspiration, communication skills, problem solving and analytical thinking, and also algorithmic thinking. Now, there are a few important policies you should keep in mind. If you wish to change your exam date after submitting the form, a fee of $199 will be charged for the upcoming exam date. And you must inform at least 24 hours before your scheduled exam. If you do not clear the test, you are allowed one reattempt at the cost of $499. And the option is also available in the same portal after final score announcement. Your initial test results will be declared within 2 days and the final scorecard will be declared within 7 days. All results can be checked directly from the student dashboard. Once you have successfully cleared the exam and interview, you will attend a counseling session. Here, you will receive guidance on program selection, career pathways, and learning opportunities tailored to your goal. And during this stage, you can select the preferred university partner. To confirm your admission, you need to pay the first installment of the admission fee, which officially blocks your seat in the program, and all the details along with the payment method, the exact amount, and the deadline will be mentioned in your offer letter. Alright, so that's the complete uGSOT admissions journey from applying to securing your seat. Apply now, prepare well, and give it your best. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.